His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa yesterday delivered a resolute and forward-looking address at the 390th ordinary session of the Politburo, citing a firm tone for 2026 as the nation advances towards Vision 2030. Zabela mashukublanyi kwa chinzi President ED Mnangagwa rally ZANU-PF Politburo for accelerated transformation towards Vision 2030. Zabela mashukublanyi kwa pangwa ini ndo subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Tibila mnambo blanyi kwa mchinzi. The President paid solemn tribute to retired Brigadier General Mark Charles Chumwaza, Mathias Teziraingarawa, and Samuel Mbabanga, who were declared national heroes in recognition of their immense contribution to the liberation struggle and national development. He applauded the ZANU-PF party for successfully convening high-level strategic seminar in Gweru and Harare, which strengthened ideological clarity, discipline, and servant leadership, underscoring that the Politburo must continue to provide thought leadership anchored in patriotism and loyalty. Highlighting steady macroeconomic stabilization under the ZANU-PF-led government, President Dr. Mnangagwa reaffirmed the implementation of people-centered policies guided by fiscal discipline, prudent monetary management, and increased production in line with the National Development Strategy 2. He commented growing grassroots mobilization and recent by-election victories, while noting Zimbabwe's rising regional and international profile, including its campaign for a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council and forthcoming hosting of the Common Market for East and South Africa Summit. As 2026 unfolds, the President called for unity, exemplary conduct, and collective leadership, affirming that ZANU-PF remains a dependable liberation movement, steadfastly driving socio-economic transformation and national prosperity towards Vision 2030. Do mashoko otawa na mtungamiri wa nyika in the yesterday Politburo. Na kuma section medu za fungo ili mtukulipa msobe chiri kwa ichi. Subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.